What's up, Monkey Gang, Monkey Fam? It's the Monkey Fam here, me and Ethan. We're about to go to this. About to go to this one haunted truck. It's an abandoned truck. It's really haunted too.
I'm gonna check my YouTube channel.
Please go subscribe. Please go subscribe, like, and turn on post notifications. And follow my TikTok, Instagram, and Snapchat link in the description. So let's go do this. I'm gonna go follow Ethan's. He's also gonna be the link in the description.
Cancel that one.
In there somewhere. Yeah, in there.
Ethan back here with another video. Hey, we're going in this haunted little thing. I don't think it's really haunted. Oh, let's go. There's a truck in here. Ow, flip. Ow, flip. Ow, flip. But apparently, the way to get to this truck.
Oh god.
There's a
There's a lot of freaking brush things back there. A lot of bushes. I found an easier way to get out instead of going through all that stuff, so you guys don't have to waste your time. But yeah. Let's go.
Whoa! What the flip?
So you guys look at this truck. It's a Ford. It's a Ford. Entirely something in the ground. Oh, but knock it off. Stop. Don't let they can break and you can bust through that.
I have to pee.
Okay guys, look at all these nails.
Look. Bye, I'm leaving. Alright, I guess it's only gonna be me and Jeanette. Jeanette has her own YouTube channel right there. Say hi. Alright, what's your name? Ethan Thompson. I don't want my name to be Ethan Thompson. How do I change it?
I'll show you how after you upload the video.
We're gonna upload this video, and there ain't gonna be a little random person at the camera no more. It's gonna be like someone else. Probably gonna be me. Hey, click on my channel. Look in the description. This is all for my first video. Wow, look at this steering wheel. We're whacking this steering wheel. I think I fell in love with the right color. But oh, I may not see, but I can read the pedals. I'm also.
God, look at the inside of this thing. Look at this glove box. Ooh, look at this little
Karate!
dang, look at this thingy. Look at the steering wheel.
This thing's stick.
Look at the pedals and shit. Oh, this is so
Shh.
Oh, it's steering. Okay, it's just Taylor. Oh my god, that scared the guy out of me, Taylor and Audrey, bro.
There was a lady that got us in trouble.
But we're not in her yard. Yeah, this is so cool.
We thought it was that old lady. Well, we gotta be pulling. Beep, beep. Yeah, I don't know.
Get out of this shit.
check out my channel.
Dude, they're on your channel, stupid.
Oh, yeah, shit. Watching this video, I might be giving a good away some merchandise. Got no merch. When I get that money, I'm gonna buy some merch. I'm also probably just gonna get fidget spinners. Go check out my fidget
Also, guys, quick thing. When I get some good old money, I'm going to get some merch up in this place. The merch, it's going to say Monkey Gang. It's got a Monkey Gang on the thing right here. Monkey Gang, a monkey with wearing sunglasses. On the back, it's going to be a giant monkey wearing sunglasses. And also, on the little hoodie thingy, it's going to say Monkey Gang on it.
Probably just gonna have
Yeah, it's going to be a hoodie. Because it's literally freaking fall, and it's getting pretty cold out where I live. We gotta go find Tay-Tay. Sausage! Yeah, like, my nickname's Nugget, hers is Sausage, so don't worry about that. But yeah, go find her. tampon sausage, guys. Her actual name's Taylor, but they asked her nickname, by the way. So, yeah. Yep. That's it. She's swinging. God dang her. Her little butthole swinging. This grass is itchy as crap.
Wow, you still got this special part of it on YouTube. It's got thumbs up button and
Yeah, guys.
if you like
Give this video a big thumbs up.
give it a
Let's
thumbs
go.
up and please like subscribe. This is like my first YouTube video, like I said earlier.
Oh yeah, go like my other YouTube videos. It's just me playing Call of Duty, so go like that. Heck yeah.
I love making videos.
But guys, that's the end of this one. Bye. See you next time. Woo.
This is not the end of YouTube channel.